Italian, that's hello and welcome to Bella Collina. Yo mi chiamo Jennifer De Vivo, again in Italian. We can't wait to show you about this beautiful community. So guys, can you believe that this is Orlando, Florida? I lived in Italy, I speak Italian, love the Italian culture, and this is Tuscany in Orlando, situated on rolling hills, because guys, we do not have hills in Florida except in Claremont. We are 30 minutes away from Disney, 45 minutes to an hour away from the beach. Just so many amenities around you, everything that Orlando has to offer, but in a gorgeous resort-style gated community with amazing amenities that we are going to get into. So follow me. We are at the Castello. And us realtors, we call this the Clubhouse, but inside these beautiful Tuscan-style walls are two amazing full-service restaurants, a full-service spa. So ladies, all you have to do is get in your golf cart, come on down to the castle, have your full-service spa done, toes, nails, facials, and I would be more than happy to join you. And this place also, guys, serves as an amazing event and wedding venue. You may be saying, you know what, Jen, I don't know if I can afford living here. We've got homes anywhere from the $600,000 to the $5 million mark, but don't let that stop you. There's also vacation homes, so you could come here for a getaway. They've got their own little gated entrance, and this place is like Fort Knox, so it's security. We've been seeing beautiful, smiling people all day long. It's just a place like me and Sarah behind the camera there, we would just like to stay here and play all day long. So just look at this lovely area. You're gonna have every single amenity. And don't forget, you've got incredible tennis courts and you've got a championship planned golf course, two beautiful sparkling lakes, one of them called Lake Siena, in of course keeping with that Italian vibe. So this is a place, guys, if you want something really special, we're gonna take you a little bit inside for a sneak peek at some of what this place has to offer. Welcome to your amazing on-site spa. Here they do deep tissue massage, they do microdermabrasion, they do insurance, and I'm telling you, we're ready to stop the shoot now and just get something done. And guys, even again, if you don't live on site, you have friends and family, what a better place than to take them to your on-site spa. We were able to get a sneak peek of the bridal suite. Again, if you're having an event and you're thinking of getting married, you know, you don't have to live here, but look at some of the gorgeous, luxurious amenities This would be where you got your ladies waiting for you as you're just sitting, having your glasses of wine, and you're getting ready for that amazing day. And there is a little bit more we're going to show you as we come around this corner. So after the bridal suite, if you're a member here, and like I said, they've got a full service gym. This is not your mama's locker room. This is a place where you can come, you can relax, you can feel pampered, even as you're getting your stuff. So I don't know about you, but one of my favorite things about going to the gym is the sauna. These saunas are to die for. First of all, look at the amazing tile work, mosaic work. You almost feel like you are in a true Roman bath. You've got 2 saunas here, very private, arched ceilings. And check this out, guys. For all of my bathtub fans, when you get done with your workout and you are wanting to have a nice hot bath, oh, this is like a beaten copper tub. So you get your sauna, you get your nice hot bath going on, and if you're a bride, you could do all of that too and get ready for your special day. But me, I love knowing that this is in my backyard whenever I want to go. So on site, there are 2 restaurants like we talked about. And when you come down this beautiful passage lined with olive trees, which I love, you see that you have Cucina, which is for members only. Cucina in Italian means just kitchen, right? La Cucina, that's where the love and the life and the good food happens. And then you've got the 19th hole. And that's for residents and for people who are coming to play golf. The 19th hole is your spot. So let's check it out. Enjoying this cabana. So guys, the pool here and the amenities with the cabanas, as you see, there's a gorgeous, nice big fan above us, and there is a bar, so you can have your tiki, you can have your bellini, they have limoncello, they have all of my favorite Italian drinks. And yeah, some resorts and some resort style living say they've got it, but Bella Collina definitely just goes above and then above and beyond again. Welcome to your own community helicopter pad. Yes, guys. If you're in Miami, you're in New York, and you're like, you know what, I gotta get home. You just hop on a helicopter, you land right here, and bam, you are back home in your gorgeous Tuscany-style community right here in Orlando. This about wraps up Bella Collina. If you guys are interested in this kind of amazing living, please reach out to me. My name again is Jennifer DeVivo, and my number is 407-921-1310. We're going to build your custom home. We have new construction homes coming up here. I would love to guide you through the process. And if you mention this video, I have a special rebate for you. You gotta give me a call. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We've got more gorgeous videos like this in Orlando. No one does it like we do it. We are all over social media. Just look for Jennifer DeVivo. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Hit subscribe, share me, and connect with me. I can't wait to help you find your way. Bye, guys.